Time complexity analysis is crucial for efficient coding. We'll explore Big O notation to predict algorithm performance as input size grows. This guide will help experienced developers optimize code, make informed decisions, and improve algorithmic efficiency in Python. Time complexity analysis is crucial for efficient code. It predicts algorithm performance as input size grows, impacting scalability. Understanding Big O notation helps optimize bottlenecks and make informed decisions. This presentation will deepen your intuition for analyzing and improving algorithmic efficiency in Python, crucial for real-world applications. Time complexity measures how an algorithm's runtime grows with input size, focusing on operations rather than execution time. This abstraction allows comparison across hardware. We count operations like comparisons and assignments, emphasizing growth rate over constants. Asymptotic analysis highlights behavior for large inputs, where scalable algorithms outperform those optimized for small datasets. Time complexity measures how an algorithm's runtime scales with input size, focusing on operations rather than execution time. This abstraction allows comparison across different hardware. We count fundamental operations like comparisons and assignments, emphasizing growth rate over constants. Asymptotic analysis helps us understand performance as input size increases, prioritizing scalability over initial speed. Algorithms can behave differently based on input. Best case, denoted by omega, O, represents minimal work, like finding a target immediately. Average case, denoted by theta, Phi, reflects expected performance across inputs, though it's complex to calculate. Worst case, denoted by big O, is crucial for ensuring systems meet performance guarantees, as it considers maximum operations needed. Big O notation defines the upper bound of an algorithm's growth rate, focusing on worst-case scenarios. It simplifies expressions by dropping constants and lower terms as they become irrelevant at scale. For example, O2n becomes On, and On2 plus n simplifies to On2, emphasizing the dominant term for scalability. As input size grows, constants and lower terms become negligible in Big O notation. For instance, O2n and On are similar because constants don't affect scalability. Similarly, in On2 plus n, the n2 term dominates, making lower terms insignificant. This focus on dominant terms ensures we understand an algorithm's true scalability. Complexity classes categorize algorithms by their growth patterns. O1 represents constant time, ideal for operations like array access. O log n is logarithmic, seen in binary search. On is linear, scaling with input size. On log n includes efficient sorts like merge sort. On2 involves nested loops, while O2n is exponential, doubling with each input. Constant time operations, or O1, execute in the same time, regardless of input size. Python examples include dictionary lookups, array indexing, and basic arithmetic. These operations access data directly, ensuring speed. Python dictionaries use hash tables for average O1 lookup, though hash collisions can degrade performance to On. Logarithmic time complexity is a hallmark of efficient algorithms, exemplified by binary search. By halving the search space with each step, you drastically reduce possibilities. For instance, searching through 1 million items requires only about 20 comparisons. This efficiency is crucial in large datasets, where logarithmic algorithms like balanced binary trees and cache systems excel. Linear time algorithms process each element once, making runtime proportional to input size. Examples include finding a maximum, checking for duplicates, summing elements, and reversing strings. Even with multiple passes, they remain On. While efficient for many tasks, they can become bottlenecks with large datasets. The challenge: can you optimize without examining every element? Linearithmic complexity, On log n, is optimal for comparison-based sorting. Algorithms like merge sort use divide and conquer, split arrays recursively, log n levels, sort subarrays, and merge results. This approach ensures efficient sorting with nx log n operations. Python's timsort, used in sorted, and list.sort, exemplifies this efficiency, performing well even on partially sorted data. Quadratic time complexity arises from nested loops, leading to N2 operations. Bubble sort exemplifies this inefficiency, swapping adjacent elements repeatedly. Finding duplicates naively also results in N2 operations. Naive matrix multiplication involves 3 nested loops, resulting in ON3 complexity. These algorithms become impractical with large inputs. Consider optimizing with hash tables or advanced techniques. Exponential time complexity, O2n, is like a nuclear explosion in algorithms. Each input element doubles runtime, making these algorithms impractical. The recursive Fibonacci function is a classic example, recalculating values exponentially. Instead, use dynamic programming to optimize to ON time. Exponential algorithms should be replaced with efficient alternatives like memoization. Analyzing Python code involves a systematic approach. First, identify the input size, such as array or string length. Next, count loop iterations, noting if they are nested or break early. Analyze operations within loops for their complexity. Consider recursion depth and use recurrence relations for complex cases. Finally, sum complexities, focusing on the dominant term. Analyzing loops is crucial for understanding algorithm complexity. A single loop running n times is ON. Nested loops like 2 loops each running n times result in ON2. Sequential loops add up, still ON. Dependent loops, where inner bounds depend on outer, can also be ON2. Logarithmic loops, having each iteration, are O log n. Recursive algorithms require analyzing both recursive calls and work per level. Factorial has a single call per level, resulting in ON time and space. Fibonacci, with 2 calls per level, is O2 on in time. Merge sort splits arrays, achieving ON log n time by halving and merging. Use recurrence relations for precise analysis. Python's data structures have unique complexities. List append is O1 amortized, but inserting at an index is ON. Dictionary operations like get, set are O1 on average, but worst-case collisions are ON. Set operations like add, remove are O1 average. Beware of hidden traps like ON2 string concatenation in loops. Optimization is crucial for efficient algorithms. Use better data structures like dictionaries or sets for faster lookups. Eliminate redundant work by caching results and moving invariant operations outside loops. Apply algorithmic patterns such as 2-pointer techniques and dynamic programming. Divide and conquer to reduce complexity, and consider space-time trade-offs for performance gains. Finding duplicates can be optimized from ON2 to ON by selecting the right data structure. The naive approach compares every pair, resulting in ON2. Sorting first reduces it to ON log n. Using a set for O1, lookups achieves ON, demonstrating the power of algorithmic thinking and data structure choice. The 2-pointer technique optimizes array problems by using 2 pointers to traverse the array, reducing time complexity to ON. In sorted arrays, it efficiently finds pairs, removes duplicates, and checks palindromes. For instance, finding a target sum involves adjusting pointers based on the current sum, while palindrome checking compares characters from both ends. Amortized analysis evaluates the average cost of operations over time, crucial for data structures like dynamic arrays. In Python, most list appends are O1, but resizing when full incurs ON cost. By doubling capacity, the total cost of n appends remains ON, making each append O1 amortized. This ensures efficiency despite occasional costly operations. Space complexity evaluates how memory usage scales with input size. Algorithms use memory for variables, data structures, and call stacks. Constant space, O1, involves fixed memory, like counters. Linear space, ON, grows with input, seen in new arrays or recursion. Quadratic space, ON2, involves matrices or graphs, demanding significant memory. Even seasoned developers fall into common pitfalls when analyzing complexity. Repeated string creation in loops leads to ON2 complexity, while list joining achieves ON. Hidden complexities in Python methods, like sorted, can mislead. Always differentiate between average and worst-case scenarios, and remember that premature optimization can be counterproductive. Consider space-time trade-offs and real-world factors for optimal performance. You've mastered time complexity and Big O analysis in Python, essential for scalable code. Focus on worst-case scenarios, choose optimal data structures, and practice regularly. Explore advanced topics like dynamic programming and graph algorithms. Keep refining your algorithmic thinking. It will enhance your coding efficiency and system performance.